Hey, it's Farmer Dylan here. We got us a little issue today. Blowed a hydraulic hose underneath the cab on an 8300 John Deere. It's a hell of a freaking mess here. We're gonna pull this whole valve stack off. Got to pull the 3-point hitch bracket off, and there's a bolt inside. Got one over here. Take this line loose here. We had to heat that to get that nut off of there. Pull these lines off, unhook your wires. You can lift this whole valve stack off in one piece. Lift it up. Up. Okay, now that we got that lifted off, it's this line right here. This one's got a hole right in it. Makes it easy to get out. Okay, so now we got the line off. Make sure you change out these O-rings. Never want to ever use one of these O-rings. They are special flat face O-ring. Everybody needs to have a kit of these. Okay, we got this new one put in here now, and we're going to clean our mess up and put the valve stack back on. Okay, so we got the valve stack put back on here. Put the 3-point hitch bracket back on, and we should be ready to roll. Okay, so we got her all hooked up, got the oil all filled up, everything works good, no more leaks. So we're ready to roll. There she goes.